Hey guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and the best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. So this is a super neat 2023 Shadow Pro Series Plus Pack. What does that mean? It means that it's got a lot of options for you to weekend camp if you want. And or make this into a living quarters. It's a super neat little trailer. So 7'6" tall, 6'9" wide. It is all aluminum. It is lightweight, white in color. Again, 2023 Shadow Pro Series. That is the upper end. So everything has got the padded dividers. I'll point it all out. So Pro Series, it's got the stainless corners on the nose. Has a hydraulic jack. I'm on the wrong side, but I'll come back around. It has a power awning. It has an escape door, 3 drop-down windows with bars. It has the extruded side all the way from front to back. It has shadow graphics. It's a real handy trailer. If you need a quick runaround trailer, quick horse show trailer, quick camping trailer, and the place has a bathhouse, this would be a great little trailer to do all that. Rear ramp. It has a collapsible rear tack with a swing out saddle rack. Brush box, bridle hooks, 2 sets. So this has the thicker, heavier duty dividers with pads. The stablemates don't have the same kind of divider and padding. It's insulated, fully lined and insulated horse box, roof vents, walk-through door. It does have the chest bar. Horse box is in excellent shape. Roof vents, I think I said that. It's got the big bus drop window on the back, 3 drops on the head side, all have bars. Horse box is in great shape. Only thing that I can see, there's a little bit of scuffing here on the wall. It's just scuffs. It's not torn. And this back mat is just got some like rough spots, like a rough spot. It's not all the way through. It's just, you can tell where it looks like, honestly, I mean, I don't know how you'd have a pawer in the back, but that's what it kind of looks like. It resembles a horse that's pawed. So maybe so. Last divider is telescopic, so you can push that back when you're loading a horse. It does have the head bumper. If you're backing out a really big horse, it's got the head bumper. And those are all things that are of a Pro Series. Those are things with a Pro Series package. So super, super nice horse box, 6'9" wide, 7'6" tall. All right, you can see that big bus drop window on the back side. It does have a window in the dressing room. That is a 5.5 foot dressing room, so it gives you a good bit of space. So I'm gonna go back around and show you that. No issues on the outside of this side of the trailer. Nothing cosmetically or anything like that. Let me go back around so I can go into the front portion of the trailer. And the only thing that I'm going to point out, and you really honestly can't see it that bad today, it's kind of hard to see, but right here, you can kind of see it with me up close. There's been a chemical put on this trailer at some point. We didn't do it here. That will not come off. Again, it's very faint, but if you get up close, you can kind of see where at some point they put something on it to clean something. Let me back up a little bit. You can kind of see it. But at some point they've done that and it's kind of discolored the sheeting. Other than that, that's absolutely the only thing on this trailer whatsoever. Make sure. There is a little scuff right here. You can kind of see it. It's kind of hard. It's really hard to see in the stainless, but it's got this little scuff on the corner of the stainless. Other than that, that's the only really issues with the trailer that I can see. It's got the running board to step up into the horse box, or I'm sorry, the weekender section. So this is pretty big and open. Ceiling is insulated. It's got a set of bridle hooks on the wall. Again, it is a power awning. Here's your on off switch. Walk-through door, mats in the floor, carpeted deck, 2 windows up in the nose. It is wired correctly with a breaker box. 110 outlet is already installed in this trailer. So again, it's a pretty big open dressing room with plenty of room if you're wanting to kind of go ahead and camp. You've got a walk-through door. It's got all the components to get started, and air conditioning. I haven't even said that. So it does have an AC. So 2023 Shadow Plus Pack with a lot of great options on it. Lightweight, not a real heavy trailer. These are great trailers. I sold these back in the early beginnings of my business, and I can't say anything bad about them. They're great trailers. So 2023 Shadow Plus Pack Pro Series, white in color. Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. Best way to reach me, 828-773-4500. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.